welcome back to another video. So I know it's been a while. The last time I recorded a video was for my birthday, and I don't think I ever finished that video or even recorded what I ended up doing. A lot of things have changed. I am now a new lash artist, so I am working doing lash extensions. So I just got out the shower. You can see that mine are actually super wet. Today, this is how I dry them. Just the regular fan, no heat. Do not use heat on your lashes. But today we're doing our holiday party at my new job. So get ready. Go ahead and just film a quick little get ready with me video. Little peach corrector. You guys hear the dog barking? That's my neighbor's dog and he's always barking. If it ain't that dog, I don't know if he belongs to the same person, but there's a neighbor that lives on the other side and he's always singing. But he's always singing the same damn song. I don't think he knows any other song. And it's only like the same two sentences that he just repeats over and over and over and over. Like he doesn't stop. Yes. It is giving what it's supposed to give. Yes, ma'am. I miss makeup now. Like I should start wearing it more often, but man, the feeling of just getting up, doing your hair, getting dressed, doing your brows, and already having lashes on, it's like amazing. I don't know why I never got lash extensions done before. Alright, so I'm gonna take my lipstick, my lip gloss with me, and we're gonna get ready and head out soon. Alright, see you guys there. Okay, so we're here. We got the little masquerade party.
You know, you said yes.
So, yeah, of course.
Oh, this is cute. Cheers. So she did some of my lashes.
Yeah, I did do her lashes. They look bomb. They're popping out right now. And she did mine. Okay, so these bitches want to show up late to the event.
No.
I have to find something to talk about. These bitches want to show up late to the event. So I was here by myself.
No, I specifically said I was gonna be here either 7 or 7:30, and I have been sitting here for a while, and it was only 7:27, so I was actually early.
Oh, let me put my mask on.
I was early. Oh, it's a masquerade, but I didn't even grab a mask. Okay, I'll see you.
Masquerade thing, so you know, I have to come in with the masquerade. Cheers, guys. Cheers. Oh my god, I feel like I'm like, cheers.
Bill did his cheer. She's trying to cheers while I'm like trying to.
Oh, and then the lip. Dang, did you get that on camera? No, I'm not chugging. Very chugs
The station open at this time, right beside the buffet area. We have a coffee station. You guys would like some popcorn.
So they're about to play musical chairs, and I'm trying to get her to go. She don't want to go.
No. This dress gonna be cool. Everybody. My dress has a lot.
Okay, guys. So what's gonna happen is every time we do a round, everybody's gonna go counterclockwise. Do everybody knows what counterclockwise is? Okay, point to the counterclockwise where you're going.
Pointing different ways.
might bop and I'm like me too. No roof on my truck, but I big see-through. I'm a spend, I'm a baller, take a deep breath. I'm a shark, you 7 days a week, I'll be up all night, day and night, day and night. I'm a spend.
that they ride or day we hustle, but the night we know that they ride or die.